Today, we're breaking down a high-stakes decision facing the healthcare giant Roche.
First, some context. Roche pulls in 60.5 billion Swiss francs a year. They're a giant.
But here's the twist. The very things that made them successful are now holding them back.
See, they're moving from mass-market pills to personalized medicine made just for you. Their new strategy is built for speed and flexibility, getting drugs to market a year faster. And they're pouring money into it. A massive 21% of the revenue goes to R&D.
And that's the problem. Their fast new strategy is clashing with their slow, old factories.
This all comes down to a classic business problem called sunk costs.
They've got billions invested in old factories that are paid for, but just aren't built for the future.
So what about option A? They could try to upgrade or retrofit their existing plants.
But that's risky. You could end up with a messy, Franken factory that's not good at anything.
Then there's option B, the big gamble. Forget the old stuff and build completely new factories. This means spending a ton of money and shutting down plants that still work just fine.
So now it's on you. You are on the board. How do you vote? Do you play it safe to protect profits now, or do you bet it all on the future?